Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back. It is another moving vlog and it is Friday the 14th. Tim and I just got back from three trips. We've been away for 2 weeks. We went to Amsterdam and then Centre Parks and then Edinburgh. We got back from Edinburgh late last night. Up today and ready to go to the flat because I've not been there in 2 weeks. I mean, I know vaguely what has been done. I've been asking my dad to keep me posted, but I haven't seen anything, no videos, no photos, no nothing, and I'm so excited. I know a lot of things have been plastered. I'm gonna take you there now. Welcome to the next renovation vlog. If you are new here, I am renovating a flat. I will link below, well, this will be part of a playlist of all the renovation videos. So if you wanna start from the beginning, the first video is an empty flat tour, and you can watch the process. I hope you enjoy this vlog. I'm excited to get to the flat, so that's where we're gonna go now. You ready, Tim?
Ready.
Let's go. Let me just put a bra on. We have arrived at the flat and the first thing I have seen is the lights have been put on top of the wall. Now all that is left is to lay these and then the outdoor area is basically done. Another big exciting thing, new windows. So if you come around here, this window has been replaced. And this one has been added. There's now a second window in the bathroom, so I'll show you it from the inside. Okay, you walk in and this wall has been halved. Oh my god!
Opens it up so well.
Right, that's good.
I don't feel like I'm gonna like fall my dad go down these stairs.
What are you talking about?
Whoa.
It's like
lights on everywhere.
it's all been plastered. It's like it's a room. It's a friggin' room. Oh, lovely plastered wardrobe. Door frame. So we have come to the flat. As you've seen, I've kind of gave you a little overview, but I was excited, so I haven't really talked you through it. But as you can see, my bedroom has all been plastered. Here are the electric boxes that have been covered. That will be the water main, which will also be covered. This window still needs to be replaced because it's been delayed by a couple of weeks, which is not helpful. Here are the lovely new windows. And then, like I said, everything's been plastered. This looks super cool. Loves that. Oh my god, the steps! I didn't even think about the steps.
Didn't look at the steps.
The loveliest steps I've ever seen. Here we go. Built steps, which are safe and functional. Here is the cupboard that we opened up.
Whoa, there it is.
Oh, there's a light. This is the view to the kitchen. God, this window's bloody massive, isn't
It goes
it?
all the way up and right. All the way up there, where it's been before.
Oh, it is so nice. And then this is gonna be, oh, there's lights under there.
Wow.
Another work surface, tiled, microwave. Lush. I'm in the bathroom and here is the new peaked ceiling that needs to be plastered. And then on the inside, there is a new window. And there's a new window, but this wasn't here at all before. This had no window. But we've put one here just to bring some light in from a different direction. But I can't get over this ceiling. I'm sorry I didn't really talk to you in there because honestly, some big changes have happened that I didn't even really understand the scale. As you saw, when you walk in, what they have done is, when they said what they wanted to do to, when they told me, they said that they were just gonna take out the door that goes from the corridor to the kitchen. I was like, great, amazing. What they've done now is actually remove a whole half of the wall to make it much more open plan, and it looks really good. It makes it look twice as big, and you saw where the fireplace is. It'll be tiled and beautiful, and it's gonna be amazing because that's where we're gonna put the microwave. Except the second I saw it, the first thing that came into my mind was that it would be the most perfect place to put a fish tank, like a big fish tank. I'm not gonna do it soon because at the moment obviously my job involves quite a lot of traveling around, and I, you know, maybe when Tim's finished uni and I'm not going away for like 5-6 days at a time. That is definitely going to happen in the future, and it just looks amazing. There's a tiny bit of paint on my lens. Don't mind the paint on my face. I just realised we've got to go into town with this paint splodge on my face.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to get it off.
Oh, as you can see, Tim and I.
Hey.
There he is. We've come to the flat because we are priming the walls today. Very exciting. Obviously, this wall has now been done. And we're doing the ceilings. I've gone around all of the lights. This wall has been done. Apart from the edges. Obviously this is just the priming coat. Do a little bit of painting. Here we go. Enjoy.
Let me start with this. See your face.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her.
Hello. It is about 5 o'clock and my battery's about to die and I have paint all over my face. But I've just finished. Tim left me a couple out. Look at my face. Sorry, my camera died, as I said. My camera's about to die. I finished the ceiling, did this wall. Those are the kind of main bits. But then I also have done behind where that radiator is going to go, where this radiator is going to go. Because the radiators are being fitted. Here's a little update. Here's the shower room. This is where the switches are going to go, the handheld shower, and then the rainfall shower. Everything is kind of plumbed in. The toilet. In here, the electric box, all of the plugs, the washing machine, plumbing. Down there is going to be like a little storage area for washing stuff. So this is a teeny little room. You've seen all this before. Let me just grab my laptop because I'm going to go now. One sec. I kind of tried to show you the kitchen yesterday, but I don't know whether I made it very clear. So what we've done, removed this wall. So that is where this wall was, so that we could reveal the entire fireplace. We're going to put a work surface, 2 cupboards under here for more storage, and then we're going to tile this to match the tiling around the rest of the kitchen. And that's where my microwave is going to go. That is where my fish tank is going to go, 100%. So there's the ceiling. This is where obviously it was, and the door was here. So this has just completely opened up this space. This is what you see when you walk in now. So this will be a fish tank. So when you walk in, you'll see the fish tank, but for now, you'll see a microwave, but that's okay. This, we are gonna actually bring out to here, this cupboard. So it will go a little bit like this, which will cause a little bit more separation between the kitchen and the hallway. The wall stops there. I still get a bit of a hallway, but then I go straight into my kitchen and it feels much more open plan, and I'm really thrilled. Yeah, not much to say about in here. I told you that we added a new window, replaced this one, and obviously the ceiling as well is amazing. And that's gonna be plastered, I think tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday, it's Saturday today. That is, I think, everything I have for you at the minute. That is today. Crazy exciting things happening. This has literally just given me a whole new lease of excitement for this flat. It feels like a different flat. It feels so much more spacious now that this wall is gone. And it wasn't planned. I didn't go into this being like, I want to knock this wall in. We were thinking about it, but I didn't actually think it was going to happen, and now it's happened. I'm really pleased that we've decided to go and do it. This kind of openness has made it feel a little bit more modern, which I like. So yeah, that is everything. I'm gonna head home and wash. Look at my face. And I'll see you guys probably on Monday. Hello, it's Monday and oh my god. Tim and I have spent the day prepping. So Tim managed to get quite a bit of wallpaper off of this wall. Still quite a lot left, but we'll do that on another day. And I have been painting, as you can probably see by my general appearance. Let me show you. I think I'm gonna also spend all day here tomorrow and finish in there, as well as finishing that hallway, maybe going up the stairs. We did a Wix run to pick up some things. Hello, it's Tuesday and I'm back on the camera. I found my charger. Finally, I'm about to head to the flat. My friend Cara, who you guys know because, sorry, I'm looking around for things I need to take with me. She was my friend who lived in Italy last year and now she's moved home. She's going back to uni, I think, in a week. So I'm spending as much time with her now as possible, and she's offered to help me paint. So that's very sweet of her. So I've got my painting outfit on, but I just wanted to show you that one of the rolls of my wallpaper for the office has arrived. So this is a nice angle, isn't it? So here is the wallpaper. This is all I'm going to show you because I'm actually going to do a big old segment dedicated to this wallpaper when it goes up on the wall. But here is a sneaky peek. I have been looking everywhere for a really lovely palm print wallpaper, and I knew it's what I've wanted. When the renovation vlogs are done, I'm gonna have to buy myself a new G7X because mine is completely broken and covered in paint now, so that's good. Yeah, I was looking everywhere for, this is a really great angle. I was looking everywhere for the right palm print, and I went for this one because there's a white background to it, and I want it to be obviously bold and bright, but I didn't want it to be so overpowering. All of the other ones I found, the background to the leaves were more of a yellow, and I really didn't want that at all. I wanted it to be white, and I know that Helen has this in her hallway, and I absolutely adore the way it looks. I think it looks incredible. And I think she's very bold for putting it all the way through her hallway, and I would love to do that. Imagine my entryway just covered in palm. I just don't think I need it. I just really wanted a little bit. So this is just going to go on the one wall, and I might put this in the toilet, in just so you know you walk through my bathroom and then there's the toilet in like a separate little room behind a door. I'm tempted to maybe, if I've got any left over, just wallpaper inside that toilet. I think that would be really cool. So yeah, there's my little sneaky peek. I'm so excited. I'm literally buzzing about it. I'm gonna need another 2 rolls. I bought this 1 roll, and the lovely lady is kindly gifting me the other 2 rolls for the segment I'm gonna give the wallpaper in a vlog. So I've just given them an extra shout out. So it's from the Loft and Us, and I'm really excited about it. So let's go to the flat. Also, can we take a moment to appreciate my dad's new obsession with art? He's just bought like 4 big pieces of art to go in his house, because obviously when I leave, my shark is coming with me, which is the kind of statement for this wall. So he's bought himself. These are my favorites. This is so me. And then this, which is really cool, and that, which is like sideways. That's where I get it from. We've been painting for about 3 hours and we've done so much, and this is friendship. Hello!
I love the plot.
Look at her in her teeny tiny cubby hole.
Oh my lord.
That's what friends are for. Look how great everything looks. So beautiful. I came back yesterday and I painted most of my wardrobe. So yeah, things are pretty wild. Getting painy. The new window has arrived. Very exciting. Yeah, no, this went straight through. What's the day today? Is it Wednesday?
It's Wednesday the 9th.
Wednesday the 19th of September. Thank you. I'm here with Cara again, and look what she brought.
Building site picnic.
Building site picnic. Because I forgot food, and she preempted that I'd forget food and already brought me food. We were like, let's bring food tomorrow, and then I just didn't. She knows me so well. We just finished the first coat over the whole ground floor, and now we're gonna do the second coat in my bedroom. And we are. God, my face is significantly paler than my body. I look really...
You might want to have a look.
I know, look at this fake tan. This is what happens when you forget to care about your appearance and care more about the appearance of a building. Anyway, we're gonna eat now. Bye. Hey guys, wow. Wow. What? I mean, we're just gonna roll with that, aren't we? It's Wednesday night. I'm actually just editing some renovation vlogs right now. So renovation vlog number 3 went up today. I just uploaded it, and so we're super duper behind. So like the video you're watching, like this vlog was probably filmed like 2-3 weeks ago. Like, that's how far behind we are, which obviously for you guys doesn't really matter, because as long as you see it all, it's fine. I'm just struggling to find the time to edit and upload. Like, obviously filming the renovation vlogs is absolutely fine because I'm at the flat. I might as well just film what I can see. It's the editing and getting them uploaded that is taking the time. So I'm really sorry that these vlogs are so behind, but I hope you're enjoying them. The reason I turned on my camera is I just wanted to give Cara such a shout out. I've said this in person, but I feel like I have the best friends ever in the entire world. I am so lucky with my friends. And Cara is by far one of my best friends in the entire world. She's literally an angel. Like, she's amazing. She's given up 3 days in a row to come and help me paint my basement, and that is so kind of her. She goes back to uni on Saturday. She doesn't have much time left to spend with her other friends and her family, but she's given up 3 days of time to come and do boring work, basically. I just want to say, thanks, Kaz. I love you so much. You're my bestest friend, and you're so kind to come and help me, and thank you for making me a picnic today. You're the best. So yeah, that was my little gushy moment, so that you guys don't think that I like abuse my friends. Trust me, I didn't ask. I don't like to ask my friends to come and help me because I feel uncomfortable doing it. My friends are just amazing and offer. So yeah, just thought I would give Kaz a little thank you on the vlog, so it is documented forever and ever and ever. And if she ever feels like she needs thanks, she can rewatch this. Look at my nails. Look how much they've grown. Isn't that insane? I've managed to stop biting them in like 2 weeks. They look disgusting. I am so sorry, Donna. Donna is my friend who does my nails. Thank you for doing my nails, and I'm sorry they look like crap. Anyway, I'm just gonna have a look at this footage. I might end this vlog here. Let me just have a check, and then I will check back in and I'll let you know. 1 sec.